Hi guys. Welcome back to another N18 episode. I don't know why do I end up shooting long format only on N18. I can do a lot of other videos also, but I'm lazy. Okay, but welcome. We are creating an email agent. It's a very simple workflow. This is absolutely for beginners and very valuable, I would say. Right? It is not a random N18 workflow. It is a valuable, simple N18 workflow for beginners to start off. So if you want to start off with N18 or automating workflow, this is the first step. Right? Go ahead. I always say, okay, bad drawing. I'll try here. There should be a trigger, right? And then there should be an action. If you have clarity on your trigger, then you'll be satisfied with your output, that is your action. Okay, so what is your clarity on trigger we are doing? And what we're doing, we are creating an email agent. Okay, I will show you how this works. So I have already created. Okay, I'll just show you how this works. See, look at this. It's a very simple workflow. When I execute the workflow, right, introducing FF to my community, so I randomly wrote a subject. Hi, my name is Vishnu. I run an Instagram channel. I create content, growing, blah blah, right? So this is something I created, and the subject changes according to the name of the email ID. That means according to the company's name. Okay, so what's your first step? First step is create a sheet in Google Doc. I've named it demo cold name wish collab.ai wish. It's another email ID I use for my business inquiries. Add that email. Okay, and what is my trigger? As I explained, whenever a trigger or a event happens in an app, then automatically a mail is sent. So what is the event happening? A row is updated. In which app? Sheet, Google Sheets, right? On row added or updated is what you have to click. Document demo cold. Because when you connect your email ID, automatically you will have all the sheet and the name of the sheets available. So you just choose demo, and there's only sheet 1. Okay, row updated or ran. Just fetch test event. Yeah, it is fetched. It has got the answer here. Right now, let's move to what should it do? Why are we giving AI agent? Okay, I'll explain. Now, row is updated, done. Now, what you can do, you can also do that whenever row is updated, you can send an email. That is a very simple workflow. You will have just 2, that is Google Sheet and email. But why are we bringing an AI agent? AI agent, we use the help of OpenAI to understand so that it can personalize your emails. Otherwise, it becomes a normal code, like how you're doing in Apollo or any other company, right? But now here what you're doing is you're bringing an AI agent to scrap the web page to understand the company name and personalize it accordingly, right? And change the subject also if you want to. And if you have a particular subject, you can use that. Understood? That is what you're going to do. So I have connected an AI agent chat model, OpenAI, because it gives you free credits. I mean, you can use anything. Absolutely up to you guys. Yeah, I have a big take on the aspect of choosing between LLMs, but I think I'll do a different video on that. Okay, so your brain is ready. Your brain is ready to personalize now. Now, what is your action? What is your end action? Now, once you finish creating the agent, what you're going to do is click on the agent, right? You're going to go to define below. Now we are going to define what to be done. So what you're going to do, take the email here and bring it here, right? What should the agent do? Why we kept the agent? To define and personalize the subjects or body. It's up to you. But right now I'm just creating a personalized subject, right? For example, I am you have a company named Nike, and I am sending you a cold email for brand collaboration from my staff. I would say introducing Nike to my community, and I have to do that for every company. I have to personalize it, right? I am doing that. right? And I've pasted a prompt here. Look at the prompt. So how do you paste the prompt? Go to add option, you'll have system message, choose the system message and just paste it. What is it? You are a helpful assistant. When the name is added, create a message like introducing in the bracket, JSON bracket, name of the company to my community. Whatever your personalized subject you have. For example, I love Nike for a subject, right? And so I love bracket name of the company. Okay, execute the step. Introducing collab.ai wish to my community. Got it? You got the subject right. Now what is your action from here? Now you will have to send the mail. Okay, now click on select email, click on send message. Okay, two is wherever, just click on Google Sheets trigger here. You have name, you have email. So obviously when your email is added, the agent or the node will take the email and send to them. Okay, so just drag the email and put it to 2. That is your email. Okay, now what is the subject? Your AI agent subject is your AI agent's output is your subject. Introducing the collab.ai message. If you have a particular message, you can write it. I have a particular message, so I'm writing it, right? So if you don't have, and if you want the AI to create, you can do that, but that becomes too AI-ish, right? So what I do for my cold emailing is I personalize on the subject and I keep the message short. And the short message, for now, for trial, I'm going to write hello team, love the work what you guys are doing, but I see a scope of collaboration to help you in XYZ service. Something random. So just check it out. This is your email. Okay, execute step and see. It is sent, right? That's all. It's a very simple thing. You have created an outreach. Now when you add another name here, right, Wish, and I add another email ID. Okay, yeah, let's execute the workflow again and see. Done. Now how do you check? Introducing collab AI wish to my community, hello team, love the work you guys are doing, but I scope for blah blah blah. You got it, right? Now you will have this email was sent automatically with n8n. You will have this when you have an n8n account, and premium account you'll have this. But how do you reduce this? When you back host it. When you can host it, you can reduce this. So that's something you can do. But yeah, so that's pretty much on how you have to send a simple cold mail. Let's say you add 15,000 emails, not 15,000, that was an exaggeration. Let's say to start off with 100, and you just go here and execute, or because we have told that every hour execute, every weekly once execute, it'll execute automatically, right? And yeah, when you keep updating on the row every hour, every weekly once, Google Sheets will keep sending the mail to all the emails given. So that's it. It's a very simple way of sending cold of doing a cold outreach. So all these are small tasks which you can automate. I will again come back with very small hack workflows, and until then I'll see you all. Thank you.